everyone, it's your girl Cheta Priska and you're welcome to my channel. So guys, this video I'm basically just going to show you guys how I lost so much weight while using apple cider. So this is the first bottle I got, and I've actually used this and I've also shared for some people, and that's the reason why it's now very small. So I got another one. This one is actually looking smaller because apple cider it's now very expensive, so I got the smaller one just for this experiment so that you guys would understand how I lost so much weight while drinking apple cider. So guys, I'll just show you guys the experiment. So at the end of this video, I'm going to show you all my before and after video of how much weight I've lost throughout the whole weight loss journey while taking this apple cider. So if you're interested, you definitely want to keep on watching. All right guys, if you're intending to lose so much weight, you need to bear in mind that there are certain apple cider vinegar that you need to take, and I would recommend you taking this Bragg organic apple cider vinegar with the mother. You need to find the one that has with the mother. So you guys just look at it very well. It has with the mother written at the bottom of the bottle. So when you go out to get your apple cider vinegar, you just need to look for the one that has with the mother. So guys, how you get to know the apple cider that has the mother in it? At the bottom of the bottle, you will see some particles settled at the bottom. So I'm just going to, I don't know how I'm going to show you guys this, but there are some particles settled at the bottom. So that is the mother. So when you want to get any apple cider, you just need to get the one that has the mother. So you don't need to be scared. There's no need for panic. It is good and it's not going to affect you. So without any further ado, let's just move right into this video. Now I'm going to show you all how I take my apple cider daily. So just watch guys. First thing first, I'll just add my water to my cup. Does not really matter how much water you add to your cup. What matters most is the amount of apple cider you add to the cup. So basically what I do is I normally use the cover of this apple cider for my measurements. So guys, just in case you perceive some kind of smell coming out from this apple cider, it's nothing to worry about. That's how it smells. So first thing, I use the cover of this to measure my apple cider, then I turn. If you want just one of this cover, it's okay for you, but actually I use two to measure this. I think this is the easiest way for you to get the right measurement, but if you don't want to make use of this, you can actually use a tablespoon. Either you take two of the tablespoon, or you just use one. So after that, I mix very well, then I drink it. But before drinking it, you all need to know that apple cider can actually affect your teeth. So what I do basically is that after exercising, I take my bath and I go straight to have my apple cider. Then afterwards, I brush my teeth. You can also make use of a straw if you don't want the apple cider staining your teeth. So guys, this is what I do. So this is it. It has this kind of sour taste, but it's not that bad. So guys, that's basically it. So I'm going to show you all my before and after video of my weight loss journey, and I'll see you all at the end of this video. Alright, as you all can see from this video, I've lost so much weight while taking this apple cider. So if you love this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe and also leave a comment on the comment section, and I'll see you all next time on my next video. Bye.